Customize Samsung One UI 7 home screen. In this video, I will show you top home screen tips and tricks for your latest Samsung One UI 7 or Samsung S25 Ultra devices like a widgets, theme, icon, launcher, and a new feature now brief. So in home screen, you can see the different wallpaper set. You can add widget, add the now brief settings. So check for the next meeting, business important meeting, next schedule, birthday. So let's see one by one. First of all, we set how to add widget to your home screen. Here you can see we add the weather widget on the home screen. To add multiple widget, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. At the bottom, you can see the widget option. Tap on it. Now here you can see the list of different default widgets, countdown, alarm, battery status, analog clock, screen time. You can also add image and story to your home screen widget. Now bottom you can see the now brief, battery, calendar, camera, Chrome, clock. So you can see the list of different widgets available on your latest Samsung One UI 7. So here we add the widget to like a clock. We select the clock option in my device. Now in clock you can see the different alarm, analog clock, digital clock, or a dual clock. If you want to set a dual country like London, Seoul. So here we select the analog clock, like tap on it. Now tap on a add button. Now add clock to your home screen. You can also adjust it like this. Just move slider, just tap on it. Just tap on it to see the time. Long press it to create the stack or setting. Tap on a setting gear icon. Here you can adjust style of the clock from the available different option. Here we select this. Also change the background like black or dark background. Also set background color match font setting, light or dark you want to set. So we select match font setting. Now tap on the save button and you can see change the home screen clock. So quite easy to add widget to home screen. You can also add weather widget or important widget on home screen. Next, you can also customize the Google search bar on the home screen. Also just long press it. Here you can see the settings. Tap on it. Now here you can see the preview at the top. Select the theme of the Google search bar, dark, light, device theme or custom color. You can also set the custom color, saturation set, transparency, low transparency or high transparency on the screen. So select the color. Like here we select those color. Also add shortcut. Here you can see by default set the Google Lens and the microphone. Also just tap on shortcut. Here you can add only one shortcut, like if we select translate, song search, weather, so spot, dictionary, homework, finance, so news. So select option. Here we add the weather option. Now you can see the preview, go back and you can see change your Google search bar on the home screen. नेक्स्ट फीचर की बात करें तो आप ऐप आइकॉन को भी चेंज कर सकते हो. उसके लिए आपको you can also change the app icon on your device. उसके लिए to change the app icon, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the themes at the bottom. At the bottom, you can find the icons in the middle. Tap on it. Here, you can tap on a top and select the free option to see. Here, you can see the list of different app icon you can apply to home screen. Also, app drawer on your Samsung One UI 7 device. So, first of all, download it. So, here we select this app icon on my Samsung S25 Ultra running the One UI 7. At the bottom, you can see how it looks on your device. You can also see the more icon pack in this category. So you can also select from the available list. So first of all, select the app icon and tap on the download button on your One UI 7. Now download, tap on the apply button. Now applying icon to your device. Now you can see change the app icon on the home screen also and app drawer on your One UI 7 and other device. If you don't want to use this or get back the default app icon, again tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the themes option. Now tap on a menu at the bottom right corner. Tap on a my stuff at the top. Now tap on the icons and here you can select the default app icon. Now tap on apply. Now set apply the default app icon to your Samsung One UI 7 device. नेक्स्ट फीचर की बात करें तो आप वॉलपेपर भी चेंज कर सकते हो. To change the wallpaper on home screen, tap and hold the blank space. tap on a wallpaper and style. यहाँ आप लॉक स्क्रीन वॉलपेपर एंड होम स्क्रीन वॉलपेपर देख सकते हो. So tap on the home screen wallpaper. Now tap on at the bottom you can see the new options, suggest option. So it will suggest you the three different from the selected wallpaper. Now here you can see three different. Go back, tap on a gallery to select the photo from your gallery to set at the home screen wallpaper. Tap on a frame. You can see the different frame available for the home screen wallpaper. So here we select this theme. You can also adjust the image like this on your set home screen wallpaper. Also change the color background like this. It will change the background of your photo. Also erase the background like this to remove the background from the photo on your device. So and tap on a done option to set it home screen wallpaper. You can also see different effects on the wallpaper of your home screen. Again tap on home screen wallpaper. At the bottom you can see we already apply the effect. So tap on a effect at the bottom. Here you can see different effect like blur background, grayscale, grayscale background, custom background color. You can also change the background color of image like this on your device. So quite a impressive customize on a home's dark background, ink drawing background, pastel background, and oil paint background. So this is the all available option to apply home screen wallpaper. When complete, tap on apply button to apply to your wallpaper. अगर नेक्स्ट फीचर की बात करें होम स्क्रीन में, next feature in the home screen, most important is the now brief. Here you can see the now brief option on your home screen. This, if you don't see the now brief option on home screen, you need to add widget like tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on a widgets. At the top you can see the now brief option. Tap on it. Again tap on it and tap on add option. Now add now brief feature to your home screen. This is the new feature added in the latest One UI 7 device that will helpful to in your daily routine life. Like let's see how you can customize it. Customize the now brief. Tap on it. Here you can see good morning message, good afternoon or good evening message set. Also you can see the tap the setting gear icon to see the available option. At a personal briefing will suggest content and action that change throughout the day. So here you can see which of the content to include. Here you can add which type of content to show on your now brief. So health and wellness. If you go to travel, you can set date for travel, event and task, next upcoming event and task for your work routine, digital well-being, communication, moments, gallery story. You can also add your favorite story here. Traffic updates nearby your location, latest Google News, smart home, music and podcast, blog message, battery station on YouTube Shorts. You can see the list of all content or category you select that will available on the now brief on every day. Just tap on it and you can see the list of all details you enable or you share on your device. So this is also the one of the most useful feature or the latest available feature in the home screen settings for your One UI 7. So this is the all available feature in the One UI 7. You can also create a folder on the home screen by add one app to another app like first of all long press the application and say add to home. Now add multiple apps like again we select the this app YouTube Studio, tap add to home. Now long press the app and move it to another app to create the folder on the home screen. So this is the all available home screen settings you must apply to your latest One UI 7 device like your favorite widgets. You can change app icons, change the wallpaper, also add multiple weather widgets on your device. That's it. If you like it, save it.